getting ungated is a complete pain in the ass on Amazon. It's a total pain in the ass. And I've got ungated for heaps of different things now. And still now, for instance, Bill and I, who are just getting a topical product ungated here in Australia, we are now up to our 8th attempt at getting ungated to sell this particular product, all right? So the first thing I want to say is this: don't give up. It's the folks that give up that lose. On Amazon, persistence is key. Persistence is key. You just keep trying, all right? 8 times we've been trying to get ungated for this, and I'll happily continue until we get ungated. I don't care if it takes 50 times, because I know if it does, that heaps of people would have given up by the 8th time. Heaps of folks would have given up, and that's why you get to win on Amazon, by being persistent. So that's the first thing I want to say about that. Persistence is key. Second thing I want to say is, should you have a virtual address? Well, it depends. And what it depends on is what you do with that virtual address. What Amazon wants to see is your ducks in a row. And what that means when it comes to getting ungated is, well, the address that you've got for your business registered address in Seller Central, is that the same as the address that's on file with ASIC for your ABN? Because that's publicly available information, your address details. Amazon goes and looks at that. If they don't match up, warning, you don't get to proceed. Same for your bank. If your bank account name is not the same as the one you've got in Seller Central and the one you've got on your ABN, warning, you don't get to proceed. Same for like the bank account address that you're using, that you're going to give to Amazon when Amazon wants to see your statements. Does your bank address match the same in Seller Central? Match the same as your ABN? Does it all match? Does it all match? If not, it's got to match. Does the invoice that you're trying to use to get ungated have your address on it? If not, that's a problem. It needs your address on it. If it's got your address on it and it's not the same as the other things, if your ducks don't match up, again, you ain't going to get ungated. So it's the tiny little things. Everything needs to match. Think of Amazon as the most pedantic bastard known to man. They will absolutely, if there's a comma missing from your ABN or your Pty Ltd company, whatever it might be, if there's a full stop missing from your business name, that's a problem. It all has to match. Every single thing that you do, the name on your business account, the name on your ABN, the name on your invoices, everything needs to match. So, will a virtual office help? Yes, if you use it everywhere, and if it's the same everywhere, then yeah, it would help. Is it necessary? No, not at all. You can just use your home address if you're happy to have your home address on places, and that will do just as good a job, okay? So it's the consistency that is more important. It's the ducks in a row, everything matching up. That's the important thing. It's not necessarily what you write, it's where you put it and how consistent you are with put it in the same place, Rachel. So that's the most important thing. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.